Then next question number 47. A Limited is engaged in fertilizer manufacturing in Karnataka. It has GST registration from Karnataka. A Limited does not have registration in any other state or union territory. X is head of finance department of the company. On January 10, X goes to Mumbai to attend a 3-day conference on international finance organized by Harvard Business School at Nariman Point. For this purpose, he incurs the following expenditure. Bengaluru Mumbai air ticket paid to Air Vistara Karnataka 26,000 plus GST. So in this case, with respect to this Bengaluru Mumbai air ticket, we need to determine what is the place of supply. First, transportation of passengers. So in case of section 12, B2B, location of recipient, B2C, starting point of the passenger. In case of section 13 also, it is starting point of the passenger. First it is section 12. Why section 12? Who is the supplier? Air Vistara Karnataka. Who is the recipient? A Limited. Because all the expenses are paid by check by A Limited and GSTN of A Limited is given in tax invoice. So A Limited is the recipient. Section 12. B2B or B2C? B2B. Because they are registered in Karnataka. They are registered in Karnataka. So B2B. B2B location of recipient. So therefore in this case, place of supply will be Karnataka. What is the place of supply? Only they ask Karnataka. 3-day conference participation fee paid to Harvard Business School at the time of registration in Mumbai, 1,50,000 plus GST. Actually a confusion will arise in this case whether it will be event related services or training and performance appraisal. If it is training and performance appraisal, B2B location of recipient, B2C location where the services are actually performed. Suppose if it is organizing an event, okay, that is entry to an event, then location where the event is held, that will be taken as place of supply. B2B, B2C classification is not there for admission to an event. So this is just a conference participation. Training means that involves a certification, so it will come under admission to an event. For admission to an event, section 12, always location where the event is held. Where the event is held? The event is held in Mumbai, correct? So paid to Harvard School at the time of registration. So 3-day conference organized by Harvard Business School at Nariman Point, Mumbai. Therefore, place of supply will be Mumbai in this case. Place of supply will be Mumbai in this case. Okay. So first case, place of supply Karnataka. Second case, place of supply will be Mumbai. Okay. Then hotel expenditure. So in this case, it is, so actually it is considered as performance, training and performance, but actually it should be taken as entry to an event. Entry to event. It should be considered as entry to event. Okay. So not training and performance appraisal. So this training service is wrong. It should be considered as entry to event. So in case of entry to event, so the location where the event is held. Place of supply of service is the location of event. Location of event should be taken. Consequently, so place of supply will not change. Place of supply will be Mumbai only. But so the reason why it is place of supply Mumbai, that should be proper. So it is entry to event, because in case of conference, so there is no certification, that should not be brought under training. But alternatively, training also can be written. That answer is also correct. Okay. But what I am trying to convey is that, so but usually in conference, if there is any certification involved, then only it will be called as a training. Otherwise, it will not be called as training. Okay. Then next, hotel expenditure paid to Taj Hotels, Mumbai. So here in case of accommodation service in relation to immobile property, and if the immobile property is located in India, location of that immobile property. If the immobile property is not located in India, so then location of recipient. Here immobile property is in India, hotel is in India, Mumbai. So therefore place of supply will be taken as Mumbai. Then Mumbai Bengaluru air ticket paid to Air India Mumbai. Air India Mumbai. So location of supplier India, place of recipient also India. So in case of transportation of passenger service, what will be taken? B2B, location of recipient. B2C, location, that is starting point. So here it is B2B, location of recipient Karnataka. So first case Karnataka, second case Mumbai, and third case place of supply is in, okay, Mumbai. Here it is Mumbai, place of supply is Mumbai, and third case it will be Mumbai, and last case it will be Karnataka. Okay, now first case it will be what supply? What is the nature of supply? Supplier located in Karnataka, place of supply Karnataka, intrastate. Second case, supplier located in Mumbai, place of supply Mumbai, intrastate. But this credit cannot be taken. Why this credit cannot be taken? Sir, when it is intrastate supply, so the GST paid in other state cannot be taken as credit. Same way, hotel expenditure also, ITC not available because it is intrastate supply in Maharashtra. So GST paid in other state cannot be taken as credit. But last one, location of supplier Mumbai, place of supply Karnataka, interstate supply IGST. This IGST can be taken as credit. First case, last case credit available, but the second and third case credit not available. Maybe if it is connected to credit also, we will be able to write. That's why I gave you this.